Okay, good afternoon. I want to show you my solar panels being exposed to the sun. That's it. Okay. The sun shines very good. Okay, we'll go inside, guys. For the meantime, I connected my my rep over here. This is the terminal. I got an energy meter here. Okay. The consumption of the rep is 1.09 amperes. Okay. To show you that this rep is working, I will open it. Okay, guys, it's open, it's working. Okay, so if we go to the solar charge controller, okay, the charging current is around 5.3 amperes. 5.3 amperes. Okay. 5.3 amperes coming from the solar panels. And since the rep is connected, okay, as it is being charged, the inverter is working. So actually the rep which is plugged into it is working. So as long as the sun shines, okay, the energy consumption of this rep will be free. Okay. The current consumption of the rep is only 1.0. How much? 1.11 amperes for the meantime. Okay. That's how a solar inverter works and solar energy connection perform in actual operation. As long as the sun shines, the battery is being charged, okay, the power input to the inverter is working, so you could plug in any load which don't overload your inverter. Just make sure what you plug in don't overload the inverter. If the juice on the battery is not so much, decrease your load. But for this rep, the current consumption is only 1.09 amperes. It's only 1.09 amperes. And it's working. It's working. The current charging current for the meantime is 5.3 amperes. 5.3. A while ago, it was 10 amperes when the sun was still very bright. But it's still very bright, but for the meantime, the charging current is only 5.3 amperes. Okay. So as long as the sun shines, this rep will be working, and it's a free energy. That's actually economy on the current consumption. We don't pay anything to the utility because this is being plugged into the solar setup. Okay, guys, good afternoon. I'm going up now. Going up. I'm going up. And back to my bench. Okay, good afternoon, Los Angeles.